Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the PuTTy Fatal Error. It's an open source terminal emulator, and if you're coming across this error message that the connection timed out, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. And now you want to go ahead and type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to run that scan. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen. And once you have it in there, go ahead and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Once that's done, go ahead and just close out of here, and you will need to restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issues should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.